Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Binding of Isaac Rebirth sound not working on PC. If you're experiencing no audio, missing sound effects, or no music while playing the game, follow these solutions one by one until the problem is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. Set your audio device as the default device. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Then select Sound. Under the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default playback device. Simply select your audio device and click Set Default. After that, click Apply, and then click OK. Now launch the game and check if the sound is working. Solution 2. If the issue continues, right-click your playback device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume isn't muted or set to the lowest level. If necessary, increase the volume. Then click Apply, followed by OK. Solution 3. Change the audio format. Go back to your audio device's Properties window. Open the Advanced tab. Set the default format to either 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. While you're here, you can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, and then click OK. Launch the game again and see if the audio has returned. Solution 4. Disable Spatial Sound. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Click Apply, and then click OK. Now test the game again. Solution 5. Update your audio driver. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Wait while Windows searches for and installs the latest available driver. Solution 6. Install another compatible audio driver. If updating the driver didn't solve the problem, click Update Driver again. Select Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver from the list and click Next. Wait for Windows to install the driver. When the installation is complete, restart your PC. After your computer restarts, launch the game again. Solution 7. Update your graphics driver. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your graphics driver. Solution 8. Update your NVIDIA driver. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application. Click the Drivers tab, then click Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch Binding of Isaac Rebirth again. After completing these solutions, launch the game and check if the audio is working correctly. Your game should now have working audio including music, sound effects, and all in-game sounds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Binding of Isaac, Rebirth fixes, and PC gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.